Good morning. Today we're going to take the collectivo into Playa del Carmen to do some shopping. Woohoo! Shopping! Woohoo! There are two different ways to travel down the federal highway from Cancun all the way to Tulum. The first is the collectivo, which is run by the taxi unions. There are little white vans. They hold about 16 passengers. They will stop wherever you want. They run 24 hours a day. You cannot have any luggage with you. Whatever you bring must fit on your lap. In Cancun, you pick these up across the street from the ADO station. The second company is Playa Express, which is a privately owned company. It runs from 5 a.m. to midnight. You can have a suitcase or a small box. If you have more than that, book yourself a taxi or a shuttle. The vans are newer and hold about 19 passengers, and they have designated stops. In Cancun, you can get them at the ADO bus station Central. Both companies cost the same. From Cancun to Playa del Carmen is 60 pesos. From Puerto Morelos to Playa del Carmen is 30 pesos. From Playa del Carmen to Tulum is 50 pesos. So we're taking a collectivo from our place up to the federal highway in front of the Chedraui grocery store. This collectivo costs 10 pesos each.
Buenos días, noodles, gracias. We're on the big fancy bus. It even has a TV.
So now we have to catch a collectivo from the highway in Puerto Morelos into Playa del Carmen. So we're at the Chedraui on the highway, and you just go up here, and there's a man here, and you just tell him where you want to go, and he will get you on the right bus. From here to Playa del Carmen, it's going to be 30 pesos each. Hola!
Hola, morning.
So once they put you in the van, you may sit for a while because they don't leave until they're full. But it rarely takes more than a few minutes to fill up the van. Be patient, you're in Mexico.
All of the collectivos and Playa Express run from Cancun to Playa del Carmen. If you want to go further south, you have to transfer in Playa del Carmen and take a different bus or collectivo to Tulum. In Playa del Carmen, the collectivo's final stop is on Calle 2 South and 45 Avenue by the Big Chedraui. The Playa Express stops on the west side of the highway at the intersection of 307 Highway and Benito Juarez. And you'll go back to the same location to catch the buses back in the other direction. So let's show you how to get on to Tulum. So we took the Playa Express bus from Puerto Morelos into Playa del Carmen, and it comes to the ADO station at the intersection of the Highway 307 and Benito Juarez. This is the little bus station here, ADO. So just came in the back, dropped us off here. Now we're going to catch another one that will go take us to Tulum. So the collectivo from Puerto Morelos to here was 30 pesos. The collectivo from here to Tulum will be 50 pesos each. So this is the main ADO terminal in Tulum, right on Highway 307. It's on the south end of Tulum, just past the main road that goes into Tulum down to the beach. So the majority of people got off at that road, but we came all the way here just to make sure we knew where the ADO station is to catch it back home. So this is the bus depot in Tulum. Don't do what we did, which is wait around for an hour, ask 5 different employees if we need a ticket or if we pay the driver, when is the bus coming. You get a different answer every time. And then you finally end up finding out an hour and a half later that you do need to have a ticket to get on a bus.
If you're enjoying this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Mucho gracias.